Hey first graders, this is Mr. Fries, and today we're going to do a math problem with Scoop, and it's starring her stuffed animal, Monkey. Please read carefully for important information. A group of monkeys is called a troop. There were 16 monkeys in the troop. 9 monkeys left. How many monkeys were still in the troop? And there's a challenge question, because Scoop loves a challenge. After you've done the first question, if 4 more leave the troop, how many monkeys will still be in the troop? So let's leave the challenge for the end, and let's see what Scoop thinks. Ooh, let's see what Monkey thinks. Monkey is really looking at the word left, and when monkeys leave, that means there's less of them. When there's less of something, that means we're going to do subtraction. So right now, use the RDW problem-solving process and ask your teacher to press pause, and please try Monkey's problem. Okay, so I'm going to start out by drawing a picture of all the monkeys that were in the troop to begin with. And I'm going to use the letter T for troop, and instead of drawing a 10 frame, I'm going to practice again drawing those 5 row groups, where I draw 5, take a space, draw 5 more. Since I'm drawing 16, I'm going to actually need 2 of these, because I'm going to have 10, and then I'm going to have 6 more, because 16 is made up of 10 and 6. So that's my 16 in my troop, and since 9 of them left, Monkey told me that keyword leave means we're going to subtract, we're going to take away. Now, there's a couple different ways I could do this. So I've got my subtraction sentence, and really subtraction is just a difference. I need to know how far apart 9 is from 16. So I could count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Since 16 is 7 numbers away from 9, I think my answer might be 7. Here's another way I can do it. Okay? When I think about breaking down the 16 into the 10 and the 6, 1 10 and 6 1s, I'm thinking, can I subtract my 1s? I know there's 9 1s. Well, if I have 6 1s minus 9 1s, well, no, I can't do that, so that doesn't work. So what I actually like to do is I take from the 10. I'm going to take 10 minus 9, which I know is 1. They're always 1 away. I can show this in my picture by crossing off everything in my 5 row group except for 1 of them. Now what do I have left? I have 1 left in my 10 frame in my 5 row group, and then I still have 6 left down here. So really I have a second problem that's an addition sentence. 1 plus 6 tells me that I need 7 to go from 9 to 16. And if I go back and count again, I see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So 16 minus 9 makes 7. But again, 7's not good enough. I need to know 7 what? Well, since my question was about monkeys, my answer needs to be about monkeys. So I'm going to write 7 monkeys. M-O-N-K-E-Y-S. And I like to circle my answer so my teacher knows that's true. Now, actually, I want to show you what this looks like on a Rec and Rec as well. So anytime I get stuck with addition and subtraction, I like to think about my Rec and Rec. And that's a lot like your 5 row groups. Now, what I have here is I have 16. Okay, I've got 10 on the top, right? 9, 10. And I've got 6 on the bottom. 5 and 1 makes 6, so that makes 16. And I'm going to show you exactly what we did. Okay, so what we did is we said it'd be easier to take 9 away from the 10. So when I look at my 10 here, I know it's going to be really easy for me to grab 9 and just leave 1 over there, because I know 9 is always 1 less than 10. So I'm doing with my Rec and Rec exactly what we did with our 5 row group. I just took 9 away from 16. I've got 6 on the bottom, and 1 on the top, 6 and 1 make 7. Another way to look at your subtraction problem. So our fact of the day is that different types of animals are called species. It's the same kind of animal, just a different variation. And for monkeys, there are 265 different species of monkeys. Orangutans, all sorts of cool looking animals. Have a good day, first graders.